Shit happens and most of us wouldn't like to admit it. And most of us, when tragic things happen in our lives, we go back to our bad habits, comfort, and afterwards we feel like shit. But the solution can be boiled down to two things. Hey guys, it's your boy AJ back with another video. And the reason why I haven't been posting much is because I was sick, but I'm fine now, so let's get into it. So your objections right now might be, oh, I cannot control what happens in my life or my emotions. Well, yes and no. Yes, you cannot control what happens in life, but no to controlling your emotions. Your emotions are dictated by the way we perceive the world, which leads to tip number 1. Focus on the good things of life. As life will throw most terrible things at you, and some of it is unavoidable. But if we focus on the good things, we will not fall into much of a depressive state as often due to our current situation. And this comes from the Bible in Philippians 4 verse 8. Focus on things true, noble, reputable, authentic, compelling, and generous. The best, not the worst, the beautiful, not the ugly, things to praise, not to curse. And this can be achieved through daily gratitude in the morning or even before bed. And it's just as simple as just writing 3 things that you're grateful for, no matter how small it is. But then the next step is quite a bit of a challenge because most of us drift along life without actually thinking our thoughts. And yeah, I kind of get it's kind of confusing, but let me explain. Our thoughts are the things that are real in this attention economy, and our inner monologue could either make us or break us, and overall determine how we view the tragic event that has come upon us in our life. So it's just being fucking mindful. Simple, right? Mindfulness is their way. Balance and acceptance of the present experience isn't more complicated than that. It's opening to or receiving the present moment, pleasant or unpleasant, just as it is, without either clinging to it or rejecting it. Sylvia Boorstein. I can't pronounce that word, I'm sorry. And this can be achieved with 10 minutes of daily meditation. Bro, there are so many apps, videos, resources that can help with this, but personally I use the Calm app. If you're interested, there's a link down in the description. I do not do any affiliate links. I just use the app in general. I hope this helps, so you can like, subscribe, leave a comment on how I can improve this channel. And so yeah, bye.